From level 20 onward, unlearning several ranks of a skill to trade for another is a time-consuming process, as you can only move points around at a set rate. The Fixskills command will apply your chosen skill goals instantly. Subscribers get a free one every May 20th, and you can earn them with bounty points or buy them through microtransactions. Although you can buy multiple potions, you can only have one Fixskill command use at a time. Not using a charge before the yearly reset or drinking extra potions would be a waste. Use the test server to design and try out a build. Skill migration is instant there at any level. This helps you save buying a second Fixskill if you make an error in training. As mentioned on the GSWiki, warriors or paladins with weapon bond need to maintain a certain minimum of combat maneuvers or spells to avoid impacting the bond. Use extra care when untraining those skills under those conditions. For all other professions and those without bonds, I suggest removing all skills from your character before using a Fixskill, then train back what you need. Most feats are learned automatically based on skills. The only way to untrain a feat is to use a Fixskill command. The unlearning is done for you automatically. Use armor info to see what armor skills you have. You can unlearn with armor unlearn skill name. I click the confirm option with the mouse, then use the up arrow and enter on keyboard to repeat the last command. Shield info works the same way. Unlearn skills with shield unlearn skill name. As before, each rank should be confirmed. Rounding out the list is Cman info, followed by Cman Unlearn skill name. Warriors with a weapon bond should be careful here with what they choose to unlearn. Now that all that's done, it's time to untrain your skills. You could of course use goals and click the minus button, but that could take a while if you have several hundred ranks. I wrote a Lich script that will do it for you. Untrain. Running the script takes you to the end, removes all skill ranks, and finishes outside the desk. Using skills base shows all goals as 0. To use the Fixskills, just type Fixskills. You'll be given an alert asking you to confirm. Then type Fixskills confirm to lock it in. As for retraining, we'll cover specific builds in other content, but here's a few skills you shouldn't forget. It's crucial to max the weapon skill for the weapon you plan to use. Magic users wielding a runestaff are recommended 8 times your level in ranks of all magic skills combined, including spells for DS and parry purposes. All ranks are weighted equally, regardless of training point cost. So yes, you're going to stack extra arcane symbols and magic item use since they're so cheap. Physical fitness typically is at least 1x per level, but get it to minimum 25 ranks. No need to be a level 72 rogue with 3 hit points. Train harness power to increase your maximum mana. Train mana control to be able to send mana, usually 24 or 25 ranks. Don't forget spells, but plan the exact spell ranks you need. They're not cheap. Get climbing and swimming to 20 or 25 ranks. That's a good base. Your perception should be 20 or 25 as well. If you planned out your build completely, finish training your skills. And if you didn't plan it out, go slow as you add ranks back in and be mindful of leftover points. It's always good to have some points hanging around if you need to tweak the build slightly after using your Fixskill. And that covers Fixskills. Let me know if this video was informative. Good luck!